Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to trade commodities on eToro. Trading commodities on eToro allow you to invest in physical assets like gold, oil, or natural gas. You can trade commodities as contract for difference or use leverage to potentially increase your profit. Open up your preferred web browser and log into your account on eToro. Use the search bar at the top for the commodities you want to trade. Once you find the commodity, click or tap on it to open its trading pair. You will see real-time price data, charts and other market information. Now, click on the trade button which is located on the commodity page. Choose the buy option if you believe the commodity price will increase, and choose the sell option if you believe the commodity price will decrease, and enter the amount you want to invest or trade in the amount field. The amount will depend on the commodity price and the size of your position. Double check your trade details including your commodity, trade size, stop loss, take profit and leverage. Once you are satisfied with settings, click on Open Trade button to execute the trade. After opening your trade, you can track it on the portfolio section. If the price reaches your take profit or stop loss level, the position will automatically close. So, that is how you can trade commodities on eToro. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.